PCOS and how does it impact your hair, and most importantly, how do you fix it? For this particular scenario, PCOS is Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, for young females particularly, is going to actually increase the amount of testosterone that is impacting the hair follicle, while oftentimes decreasing the amount of estrogen that the ovaries are producing. Because of this, DHT can impact the hair follicles at a much earlier age. So at that point, you actually have to treat the underlying reason for the loss, which in that case is DHT. So for the average female going through PCOS, obviously medically, try to treat it the best way possible prescribed by your physician. But in relation to your hair, you want to use our DHT blocker with immune support, and topically you want to apply the NutraM formula at least once a day and apply it to all the areas of loss. Additionally, you do want to mitigate any other underlying reasons for loss like nutrition or inflammation. So please go ahead and take the quiz on our website. In doing so, that's going to give you a well-rounded view of what's happening, but additionally, at the very least, make sure you're treating the cause. And for PCOS, the cause is DHT. So go ahead and attack with the DHT blocker with immune support and the NutraM topically, and you will be victorious in knocking out the reason for the loss, and make sure we've eliminated all the other underlying reasons with nutrition and inflammation if they apply. Please contact us, take the quiz, and allow us to help you regrow your hair.